Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here. Hey everybody. You know, it's that time again. Time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. With yours truly, the Ramen Raider. Today I'm going to show you what you can do with your instant noodles, should you choose. I've got some more leftovers from the Sau Tao Meet the Manufacturer series. This is the Sau Tao Ho Fan noodle, and this is their abalone chicken flavor. Incredibly popular, and this is a Ho Fan, so it's kind of like a wide noodle. I don't have any abalone, but I do have the chicken, and that's really all I'm gonna need. Is the chicken. Not just chicken, the chicken. So yeah. Been a day already. Productive, wonderful, and cool. So I got a pot of boiling water here. And I'm going to take all this fun Ho Fan noodle, drop it in, throw it back on the heat, and then we're going to give it a nice, cozy ride in that boiling water of pain and insanity for 3 minutes. So what are you guys doing today? You staying out of trouble? I sure hope so. Me? Yeah, for the most part. I went out walking this morning. I left a little extra early, and I did a lot of walking. I got, 7.8 miles. Got home at 6:45 a.m. Booyah. And so that's good. Got to do some more today. But one thing I didn't mention, it was raining. And by raining, I mean water droplets coming down from the sky. Oh, a lot of them. But I was kind of hemming and hawing about going out there, but I did, and I'm glad I did. But yeah, not hot fun in the summertime, but a nice 2/3 of the way through May kind of rain. That's a lot of water too. So the intro and outro of this is from that walk, and the outro that you'll see after this, because you're going to watch the whole thing at the end, I really wanted to get a better shot, and it would have required doing it earlier because there was so much standing water on the road when I walked past that spot earlier. It was like, what do they call them? Pigeon tails, dovetails, flamingo tails, peacock tails. You know, when a speedboat goes by and they shoot that rooster tails. That's it. It's like the cars were rooster tailing all the way up and down the road. And I was like, oh crap, I'm going to get to a certain spot and I'm just going to get doused. But no, I didn't get it. I just got it just rained on. So, but yeah. Good stuff, good times, all done. Want to send a shout out to my buddy Stumpy down in Little Rock, Arkansas. He's currently waiting for his new cell phone. He got a new cell phone, he ordered it, and that's basically what his stimulus went to, at least a good portion of it. He's going to college down there. I yammer with him almost every morning. And problem is, he's got a crappy phone. He's got like an old Alcatel. If you don't know about phones, it's like the cheapest phone money can buy. So it's like for the ones that you buy the cards and recharge. That's what he uses. But now he's gonna get a Galaxy S9 Plus. Like, dude, you're gonna be happy about that. That's gonna be a nice change. But his phone, like, it just reboots for him. It's like, what is the features of the phone you have? Oh, reboots whenever it feels like it. It just turns off and on at random. What else? It drops calls. It's a really neat feature. I didn't ask for the feature; it came with it. So it's like, yeah. I've always lucked out with cell phones. I have a lot of my old phones too. I can't part with them. I have like, it's weird. The last time I got the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but I never get rid of my phones until this time because they gave me a $300 trade-in special promo deal for my old Galaxy Note 8, and which, I mean, really, it was like 3 years old. God, I swear I brought that thing. Maybe I did bring that thing to Asia. I don't know, but seems like I've had it forever. But it was a good phone. It did the thing, but I was just like, I never use the pen. And now all they're talking about is the S20, and actually the Note 20. And now I just saw the first inkling of a story. Here's all the great new features on the Galaxy S30. But what it is somebody saying, hey, it'd be neat if it was like this. But they gotta keep, all the people want to talk about is cell phones. But, do I want the raddest new cell phone? Yeah. But just remember, as soon as you get it, Forbes is going to come out with an article saying why early adopters of the blah 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 are gonna be mad, or top 10 disappointing features of the new blah blah blah. Every phone that comes out, they come out with 3 negative articles about it and like 3 positive articles about it. I don't know. Yes. That's fantastic, folks. Here's the broth. Look at that. That's nice. That's good. I like this one. A little piece of something. Might be wolfberry? I don't think so. Some little add-in. I'm a big fan of garnish. Big bowl today. Happily, they had to turn off the water yet again, and they did it rather early. So, but they've turned it back on since, so I'm good. Ba-ba-da-ba. You like chicken? I do too. It's Abalone Chicken Day at the Ramen Raider World Headquarters. What else do we got? I was gonna put an egg in it, but I don't think so. I think I'm going to go with this. This is the correct basil. My wife informed me because I was like, yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. She's like, no. She's like, no, I grabbed it. I'm like, oh. No worries. I just got to get a new one. So that's what this is. Yeah, I walked in the rain for over 7.5 hours on purpose. If it could have been uphill both ways, I would have on purpose. And I also brought home a gallon of chocolate milk, a little thing of Thai basil, and a dozen eggs. Productivity in the early morn. That's what I'm about. And you will be too. Once you read my new novel, you better be productive before 7 a.m. or boy, you just kind of wasted it all. By me, the Ramen Raider. That's kind of a lot of basil. I mean, I like a lot of basil, but that's kind of a lot. Yeah, I wish I had some abalone to throw in this, but I don't. And I'm starting to think, you know, the last set of Thai basil I got from this store was like perfect for days and happy in the fridge. Now I'm thinking, you know, that was a fluke just to get me hooked. And now every time I get it, it's gonna be like, not so much. Yeah, so what else? I think I will go with some sesame seed. That much. That is a skosh pinch. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm also going to use a tiny bit of this here. Shichimi. I really like this one because it's got a neat bottle. But that's the only reason, really. I haven't had a lot of time to have fun with it, so. And just a little spring onion. Feels like something stuck in my finger. Anyway, where'd my phone go? There's my phone. Now we are gonna do the Rotato magical procession. All right, here we go. Alright, well, yet another tasty product from Sau Tao coming at you once again. And yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go check out the Ramen Raider app. Head to the Google Play Store and look up the Ramen Raider. Alright, have a good one. Bye.